Yes, sir.
Let me begin your test today. Good afternoon, I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Jasondeep Singh.
Okay, Jason. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Okay, do you like shopping?
Yes, I love to shopping, and I also prefer for shopping only weekends because on weekdays I always free. I was free, and I go with my friends for a shopping.
Okay, why do you like shopping?
Well, I love to shopping because I purchase some things according to my choice. So I always often my friends to go for shopping because my friends always give me advice to purchase it products.
Okay, please tell me about your daily routine.
Well, I get up early at around 4 o'clock in the morning. Then I go for a morning walk with my uncle. After I am coming back, I take a bath and I go to a Sikh temple is known as Gurdwara. After I take a lunch.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, what do you usually do at this time of the day?
Well, at that time, I usually do a lunch with my family. After lunch, we also watch TV together. And
Okay, and how do you organize your study time?
well, I organize my study time to according my timetable, and I always give full attention on for my study. In my college days, I usually spend 2 or 3 hours, but in weekdays I give prefer to 4 or 5 hours for my study.
Do you ever change your study plan?
Well, I never change my study plan because everything is perfect, so that I do not change.
Okay, what's your favorite time of the day?
Well, my favorite time is morning time because at that time I go for a morning walk with my uncle. On that time we also reach one of park, and morning time is a pleasant time, and we can listen the chirping of the birds, and I always meet with my friends in the park.
Okay, so what do you want to change in your daily routine?
Well, I do not change my daily routine because everything is perfect according to me.
Okay, let me give your cue card. This is your cue card. Here you go. And this is paper, you can use it. Pen, you can note down some important ideas. And your cue card is talk about a toy which you liked in your childhood. The name of the toy, what kind of toy it was, what kind of activity did you do with this toy, and how did you feel? Your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. Start, please.
Well, childhood play a crucial role in human's life. Everyone has often choice to play with their toys in their childhood. Mostly in girls always prefer to play with the dolls and kitchen sets. On the opposite hand, boys give preference to play with the technological gadgets like such as guns, cars, and aeroplanes. Here I would like to talk about one of toy in my childhood, which is my favorite toy. Actually, I play in my childhood several toys, but my favorite toy is tractor and trolley. Because I love to play with this toy. And this tractor was a gift by my grandpa on my 5th birthday. If I talk about the features of that tractor, this tractor is neither big nor large nor small, and its color was red, and its model name was Swaraj 855, and it was made by a heavy wood and used heavy plastic tires. Moreover, my all the friends are liked very much because its look is very beautiful. By and large, I often to play with this toy morning till evening. And finally, I feel jubilant to share my childhood memories, and I miss those days very much.
Okay, can I take it back, please? Thank you. Let me ask you some more questions.
Yes.
How do you think toys will change in the future?
Yes, definitely. And technology are coming day by day, so that toys will be changed in the future. And now coming toys is mostly based on electronic.
Okay, how are toys today different to the toys of the past?
Well, there are vast difference between present and past toys. Firstly, in past time, most of the toys were made by wooden and plastic. But in nowadays, toy was made by electronical, and they also involve in new techniques in toys.
Okay, if you are going to give a present to a child, what would you give?
Well, I prefer to give some books because books is very beneficial for their future. But first time he don't like what he don't like. After some time they increase their interest for reading books, and this books is more beneficial for their future.
What kind of gift do parents give to their young children nowadays?
Well, there are a lot of gifts to give parents for their young children. First of all, parents should understand to give a gift according their choice. In nowadays, most of the people prefer to give educational gifts for their children because they think that by educational toys they also increase their interest by right path, and they can achieve their goals.
Okay, is it good to give children too many toys?
Well, I think it is not good. A child has a lot of toys because by a lot of toys children cannot appreciate the value of the toys, and they also decrease their imagination and creativity. Moreover, a child cannot share their toys with their friends.
Last question for today, and that is, some parents don't spend much time with their child, but instead give child gifts as a way to show their love. Do you think this is good enough?
Well, according to me, it is not good because spend a lot of time with their children is more important as compared to the toys, and children can teach a lot of values such as moral, social, and interpersonal skills for their children.
Okay. This is the end of your interview.
Yes.
Thank you so much.